Guys, panoorin natin to, yung laban ni Naoya Inoue sa Amerikanong si Ramon Cardenas. Magandang laban to, guys. May makikita tayong plot twist dito. So may matutumba sa kanila ng maaga-aga. First round pa lang may matutumba. Kung sino yan, panoorin natin. Let's go!
Title fight. What did you see? How much success he has in these... Wait, measuring with the jab, tripling it up. Test. Beautiful one. So he's going to have to depend on timing. Nice. To the inside. Finding this. Eating Inoue to the punch. By the right hand of Inoue. Yes, it was. However, I still like their approach. Oh, and then again. First world title champion. Here, his corner sits. Come to the end of round number 1.
So mapapansin na naman natin yung tactics ni Naoya Inoue. Tapos yung kalaban niya, si Ramon Cardenas, is nagpapakiramdaman pa ng lakas. Kumbaga ginagamay pa nila, tinitignan pa nila yung mga skills silang dalawa. Hindi pa sila agad-agad bumibira na ng maraming suntok. So pakiramdaman, jab-jab muna sila. Tuloy natin.
Right here. 30 jabs in that first round. Here's the right hand. Yeah, it's a vertical jab with the thumb face up towards the ceiling. Coming behind, blinding him with that jab and coming right with that right hand. Gonna see more of that moving forward. However, Inoue right now, up his feet a little bit. Might have some work on the A side, or you better have something in your back. That is a recipe for disaster. Goes to the body with the...
Puro jab, 1-1 to pa lang.
Inoue comes back, trying to sweep that right hand to the body, and he goes turn to set seeking American.
Amerikano yung kalaban niya.
And Inoue trying to pick up his feet and starting to bring that pressure. Starting to bring that way. Talked about how do you gain confidence. Inoue is great at mid-range, great on the outside as well, but the inside.
Oh, knockout. Yan yung first time na natumba siguro sa boxing team ni Naoya.
On the ropes, put the combination together, however...
Sapol guys, uppercut. So ang ganda ng tama ka, tinamaan siya ng kaliwang uppercut nung Amerikano, si Ramon Cardenas. Hindi Sardinas Cardenas. So ang ganda ng pagkatama niya, power punch, uppercut.
Sapol. Drop a little angle, change his position, Inoue followed him out, didn't see that left hook coming, boom!
Hook pala yung hook, hindi uppercut.
Comes out on the attack by Cardenas. Cardenas, San Antonio base, no cut on the actual flash. Right mistake, he's waiting on Inoue to get opposite hand. When you talk about it being that high guard, it really is, it's tight. And then another thing that Cardenas is doing is anytime he sees, but anytime he sees Inoue going to the high guard, it's a problem. Left hand again. That's another one. He doubles up the right hand. Goes forward on the attack.
Yung nakatapat niya si Cardenas, malakas.
Man, we're going to take a short break. When we come back, we'll show you the knockdown again. It showed up in the second round, Tim. You explained this pre-match. You see any resemblance right there? Same exact. The undisputed champion was floored in the second round. The upset 100 favorite. Minus 65.
Pero kahit na
I just spoke with Joel Diaz and he said, look, I believe in this fight test. That's what I'm talking about. He mentally believes that he can take it and get lax on his defense. It's going to be night-night, Tess.
So, si Inoue guys, hindi pa rin natatalo, malinis pa yung record niya, 0 loss pa rin to. So, na-knockout lang siya ng katunggali niya na si Cardenas, pero hindi pa siya natatalo ni minsan sa kanyang professional boxing career. Ituloy na natin.
Timmy, before this fight I turned you and said just keep
kabayan na,
with
power
confidence.
punch.
So throw punches
So,
like
yung mga
that.
binitawan nila,
He caught him. Wide sweeping and he made him pay. Now he goes to the body, then goes upstairs, back to the body, and fires with return. Good right hand from Inoue. Inoue. Always.
Giro yung kombinasyon ng
You'll be able to see the corners while we take this commercial. commercial break. Yes, I didn't think I'd be tossing it over to Mark Riegel to even get a scorecard at the end.
38-37, Ramon
Middleweight now is totally aware of him. Right after he's punching and punching with him with the left hook. So what he's doing is now he's just
Last round. Middleweight bounces back and looked awesome. Was 29.
Yung fighting style niya.
You know how you love inches with that shot? He gonna be able to land. I'm telling you.
When he fires, he
Talaga sila,
produces
mas
landed
talaga.
23 power punches. There's a combination of connected advantage.
So, dito, nag-iinit na si Monster Inoue. Nag-iinit na siya kasi yung mga suntok na binibitawan niya, pinapakawalan niya is puro power punch na makapapansin natin. Talagang gigil na yung suntok. So, tuloy natin. Si Cardenas naman, bumabawi naman ng power punch din. Kaso nga hindi ganun tulad ni Inoue na ang pinapakawalan is napaka-raming kombinasyon na power punch. Tuloy natin.
Running right-handed Cardenas. We heard with that shot to the body with a body shot.
Yung mga body shots na tumatama sa kanila,
Said
malakas
that
yung
he
mga
wants
guys.
to make
Hindi
fights that
ordinary yung
people
mga boxing hero to.
enjoy.
So iba yung talagang
Everybody is wildly entertained. He's connected advantage, but he has been floored for just the second time